Hi guys! Can you believe this orchid was barely surviving just a few weeks ago? Now look at it. It blooms everywhere. And the secret? It's not some expensive fertilizer. It's this. Just plain rice water. Yep, the same water you rinse off your rice. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use rice water the right way so your orchids bloom like greasy, naturally, cheaply, and year round. Let's get started! Why rice water works? Rice water might look simple, but it's packed with nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, and even a bit of phosphorus. Exactly what orchids need for healthy leaves and constant blooming. It's like a natural energy drink for your plant. Plus, it's eco friendly and free. No synthetic chemicals needed. How to make rice water. Guys, here's how I make it. Option 1, the quick rinse method. First, rinse 1 cup of uncooked rice with 2 cups of clean water. Then swirl for 30 seconds. After that, strain and collect the milky water. Option 2, fermented boost for stronger effect. First, rinse 1 cup of uncooked rice with 2 cups of clean water. Swirl for 30 seconds. Strain and collect the milky water. And let the rice water sit in a container for 1 to 2 days. After 1 or 2 days, when it smells slightly sour, then it's ready. You can use fresh rice water within 3 days. But if you're using the fermented one or the fermented method, you can refrigerate the fermented rice water up to 1 week. How to use it on orchids. There are 2 easy ways to apply it. Method 1, watering. Pour rice water gently into the orchid pot. Avoid getting it on leaves. Do this once a week in the morning. Method 2, spraying but diluted. Mix 1 part of rice water plus 2 parts of clean water. Spray lightly on the orchid's roots or bark but not on the flowers. Don't overdo it because too much can attract mold or bugs. Once a week is more than enough. After 2 to 3 weeks, you'll notice greener leaves and stronger root growth. By week 4 or 5, get ready for buds and blooms. This trick has worked wonders for my orchids, and now I want you to try it too, guys. Here is some reminders. Always rinse the pot or tray every 2 to 3 weeks to prevent build-up. And remember, no leftover cooked rice or solid grains, just the water. Guys, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with our fellow orchid lovers. Let's keep our gardens blooming naturally and beautifully. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for your time. God bless.